How to enable two-factor authentication in Regions Bank Online Banking. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you want stronger security for your Regions Bank account, well, let's enable two-factor authentication. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open any web browser and now here once inside, you can just click on the search bar and simply search Regions Bank. And now here, from the search result, just click on the first link and after that, you'll be prompted to the official website of the Regions Bank. Now here, simply log in using your online ID and password, and once logged in on the main dashboard, you can go to the top menu and click on Customer Service and then select Settings. And there, under security settings, you simply have to find two-factor authentication or extra security at sign in. And after that, you simply have to choose your preferred verification method either by text message, phone call, or email code. So enter your phone number or email and then confirm by tapping or typing in the code regions sends you. And once verified, you can toggle the option to enable two-factor authentication. And once you do that, every time you log in from now on, you will need both your password and the code for the access. And that's it. That's how you can enable two-factor authentication in Regions Bank Online. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.